Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings app, and after that tap to home and lock screen section. Let's go back and tap to the personalizations. Here we'll see the wallpaper section. Tap here once, and now we can select our new wallpaper from the album, so from photos on our device previously taken, screenshots or downloaded from the internet, or also we can use the default wallpapers here. And if you want to use the online wallpapers, you can also do that, but be sure that you're connected to the internet, to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. For example, let's use this wallpaper. Click apply and select lock screen. Wait a second now, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our Oppo device. So if you wanna change it by another way, you can also do that. Just hold for a while your screen and click on the left down corner to wallpapers, and then by the same way just select one from these available wallpapers, tap apply, and once again tap to the lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.